Hello guys, welcome back to Always Mabel Canada's YouTube channel. Today we are going to pair this universal Chamberlain mini remote control. It's a keychain remote control for a garage door opener. I have this MyQ door opener and wall-mounted Chamberlain door opener. I changed it. I used to have this ceiling mounted garage door opener, but it keeps jamming. So my wife always have this problem every time I'm away, and then it gets derailed. These railings here, it happens to her like 3 times already. So I changed it to the wall mounted and it's really smooth. So the reason why I'm going to add another remote, imagine we have this remote here. This is for the car. It's mounted there in the SUNVISOR, but imagine if somebody break into your vehicle, break the glass and steal it, and then they knew your address and then they can easily break into your garage. Anyway, this garage door opener is for my wife, this keychain remote control. So I already have it here, same with the one that we are going to pair. So look, you can bring this with you and then you can open your garage, the overhead garage. You see, it's really quiet with a wall-mounted garage door opener. You see that? Okay, so now we are going to pair the garage door opener remote control, the keychain, to this garage door opener. So what's inside here is the remote control and then manual. And what we're going to do here is open this, and then as you can see, there's a learn button there. But first, we are going to press this lower button here. This is the programming. So we press this like 15 seconds. You will see that the blue light is blinking. We'll wait for it until the blue light turns to solid. It's until it's not blinking anymore. Okay, there. And then after that, we are going to press this twice. Press and release. And then press and release, and then it will there. Now it's programmed. So now it's programmed. So let's try this. We are going to check if it paired. So we'll press this button here. There. Now it's opening. Now let's close it. Open it again. And close. Okay guys, that's how you connect your mini remote control, the universal Chamberlain garage door opener. So just follow my instruction in the video, and it's so easy on how you pair your remote control to the garage door opener. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe on this channel, hit the like button. See you on our next video.